Okay, I'm using this is the ADN38. Putting it on my drill. Okay. And now, I have it on driver, and I have it set to 24 because that's what it seems to take. Was installing, when this thing came apart on me again, I was installing 5/16 inch rib nuts. That would be this. Oops. See it. So, backing it out. That's what happens. And that was after I installed probably, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably pretty close to 40 rib nuts successfully. First 1/4 inch, then the 5/16. I have no idea what's going on. This will not, the mandrel will no longer tighten into it, and instead of tightening the mandrel in or even being able to turn it in with my fingers, it just simply backs the whole gun up when I put it in reverse, or so anyway, just thought maybe having a little bit of a video would be helpful for this situation. That's the mandrel in there loose. Okay.